If you want to change the reminder time for a Google Calendar event, whether it's a meeting, appointment, or repeating reminder, this video will walk you through the process step by step. It's a quick but very useful setting to know, especially if you want to get notified earlier, later, or just make sure you never miss an important event. Before we get into it, please take a second to like this video and subscribe for more helpful Google Calendar tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or app and find the event or reminder you want to update. Once you see it on your calendar, click on the event to open its details. If it's a reminder or calendar entry with editable settings, you should see an edit option, usually shown with a pencil icon. Click Edit to open the event settings page. Now look for the section related to notifications or alerts. Depending on your Google Calendar layout, you may need to expand the calendar section or scroll a little to find the notification settings. Under notifications, you'll see the current reminder time that's already set for the event. Click on that existing reminder time to change it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. You can choose a new reminder time based on when you want to be notified. For example, you can set it for 10 minutes before, 30 minutes before, or even 1 hour before the event. If you need a longer lead time, Google Calendar usually gives you several different reminder choices, so you can pick the one that works best for you. After selecting the new reminder time, double-check that everything looks correct. If this is a repeating event, Google Calendar may ask whether you want to apply the change only to this event or to all events in the series. This is an important step, so make sure you choose the option that matches what you want to do. If you only want to update one specific event, select just this event. If you want every future reminder in the series to use the same time, apply it to all events in the series. Once you've made your selection, click Save to confirm the change. Google Calendar will update the reminder time immediately, and your event will now notify you at the new scheduled time. That's it. You've successfully changed your Google Calendar reminder time. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how you manage your schedule and stay on top of important tasks. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.